The use of refractory ball press in summer needs attention. One is to prevent high temperature. Before the ball press starts to work, first rotate the belt pulley with manpower for 1 to 2 laps. Confirm the normal operation, and then start the machine. After starting the machine, do not feed the material directly, and wait until the ball press runs normally. Generally, this time is about 2 to 3 minutes. The second is to check the wear situation. After the refractory ball press is shut down, it is necessary to check whether the bolts are loose and the wear degree of the vulnerable parts of the refractory ball press. Third, timely heat dissipation. Although the machine itself has a certain heat dissipation function, but this is completely unable to meet the overall heat dissipation needs, so we should pay extra attention to. Otherwise, long-term operation in the case of heat dissipation is not in place, will greatly shorten the life of the whole ball press.